Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mitsubishi Outlander LS, stock reference number 4979. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 2nd month 2014. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille, left power door mirror, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, left hand tail light does have two little sun cracks, still may be usable, rear bumper cover, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, black leather center console lid, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater controls, dual zone type, aftermarket Pioneer touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.